This is Motorola Moto E13, and today I'm going to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the face unlock option, so launch settings, then enter the security category, tap at the face unlock section, choose what regular screen lock method you would like to go alongside the face recognition. I'll go with pattern, then set whatever password you chose. In here, choose how notifications will be shown at the lock screen, tap I agree, and then we can start scanning our face. The scan procedure is very simple. Just place your face inside the circle, camera, viewfinder space, however you call it, and let the system scan your face. So will quickly do that off the screen. As you can see, then I've gotten the all set looking good message. That means that we can start using the face recognition. So as you can see, my screen is locked, and the moment I align the selfie camera with my face, it gets unlocked without any issues at all. So let me try it one more time. As you can see, the feature works. Moving onwards, I'm going to demonstrate how you can warm up the screen colors or tint the screen number. In other words, you can do that by launching settings, entering display category, and enabling the night light mode. As you can see, it warms up the colors instantly, and inside the option page you can change the intensity of this option and perhaps set an automatic schedule for it to be turned on and turned off at customly set timeframes. We recommend that you set this mode to be automatically enabled after the sunset and turn itself off once the sunrise. Alrighty, the next option for today is also located at the display category of settings. It is called the ambient display, but it is better known by the name of always on display. So enable this mode and set how this AOD or ambient display feature will be enabled, either by tapping the display or moving the phone, or both. And once you lock your screen and tap on it, as you can see, the ambient display or AOD gets revealed right away, and you can check the time, date, without having to necessarily unlock the screen. The next option that I wanted to show you today is located. It's a very small tip. As you can see, currently at my status bar, the battery percentage is not being displayed. So in order for me to check how much power I have left, I have to roll down the notification and control curtain. So if I would like to place the battery percentage next to the battery icon at all times over here, I will simply need to launch settings, enter the battery category, and switch on the battery percentage toggle. And as you can see, it gets shown over here right away. At last, for the fifth and final option for today, I wanted to demonstrate that you can zoom into things at your display, basically enable the magnifying tool. So in order to do that, you have to enter the accessibility category, go into magnification, and turn on the magnification shortcut. And as you can see, this little icon appears over here. Once you want to zoom into something, just tap at this icon. Then the display gets framed by this little orange square, or rectangular rather, and then just tap at the section that you would like to magnify, and as you can see, it gets magnified right away. Then you can zoom in even further or zoom out using this shrink in or shrink out movement. Once you're ready to exit the magnification, just tap at the icon once again, and as you can see, it gets switched off right away. There is also the second mode, should I say, which you can use while magnifying into things. Should be this one. So just tap at this icon over here, and as you can see, instead of using the whole display as magnifying glass, it provides you with the movable section which you can move, and the only anything that is inside this magnifying glass, only this zone will get zoomed in. And in here you can also zoom in and zoom out as we previously did. Alrighty, so that would be not only for the fifth tip, but for this video in general. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.